This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Cureton. Look no further. This beautiful home is truly a one-of-a-kind beauty located in Old Woodland Estates. With a family concept floor plan highlighting 4 large bedrooms, 2.5 baths, the master with walk-in closet and large ensuite allows for the perfect wind down, prior to joining the family on your year-round screened patio or jumping into your in-ground pool, while cooking out on your second raised deck while enjoying the privacy of the country and the city on this cul-de-sac, away from the beaten path. Come on down and let this be your last stop. Home, we're waiting for you. For more information, review the details below or contact Cureton at 757-638-5700.